Okay, today I'm going to show you how to put in a Connectrac Raceway. We're using Connectrac by Legrand or whatever. So this is almost finished Raceway. It's just missing the covers. So we've got power and we've got data, different locations, and then we've made a longer one here. Power and data. So when you get them, first thing you want to do is make sure you got all the right parts and spread them out in order that you're going to install them. So in my case, I'm going to show you, put the carpet down. We've got we've got the end wall raceway that we put in earlier. So this is the connector that goes to power and data, and we pulled our power and data through. And now we've got the 2-foot power track. So the tracks come in 2, 4, 6 foot lengths, and then we've got a hub. So the hub lets you connect 2 tracks together, and it also lets you install a power outlet or a receptacle device, and then the data device can go anywhere on the track. So then we got a 6-foot one, and then we got another connector, and then we got another 2-foot, and then at the end of your raceway you have to have the end hub. So it's really just that simple. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to remove some of the carpet. Maybe we'll start on this side. It doesn't quite line up, so I removed some of the carpet tile, and then we're going to take off our protective cover. This is in during construction, because it keeps the connectors from getting dirty. I'm just gonna clean all this out. Be careful. So step 1, we got our Connectrac with our 2-foot section. So we want to pinch these ends, and then your protective cover comes off, and then choose a side. So it doesn't really matter, but I like to have all my Connectrac labels on the same side, and then this connector just fits in, and it takes a little bit of effort sometimes, and it just snaps in. Make sure these tabs snap in, and now we've got our 2-foot track. Now the next step is you cannot attach a track to a track directly. You have to connect the track to a power hub device. So this goes on the same way, the connectors. So just gonna slide this into place. You gotta wiggle it a little bit. Sometimes you gotta hold. So I've assembled all my raceway pieces. Now when you get to that last piece, I'm gonna put the end hub. Which only goes in one way, so you got hubcap. So we snap the hubcap in. So this is finished. Now decide where to put your outlets. So if the outlet comes straight out of the box, you're going to take the tape off. And once you do, the cover comes off. Now, oops. So now if you're putting it on a hub, you're going to peel this off. And then you want to line it up. So you can have up to 4 circuits in this Raceway, which is why we've got 5 wires. So we've got ground, neutral, and then this is, so you can buy these. So if you've got multiple circuits, you can buy these to connect to whichever circuit you want. Actually, this might support 5 circuits. So in this case, we're circuit 1. If you were circuit 2, your pin would be 2 or 3 or 4 or whatever. And then these just snap right in. So that's that. And then the screws fell out. So put these screws back in. 3. The 4th one go. Oops. 4. So this is lined up. And then tighten the screw. And then we're going to remove this. Now when you do that, you want to save these because you can keep these locked if you choose to. And then the cover on top. And then we've got 2 screws for the cover.